Hello everybody. Let us have a look at technical view on the equity market. Nifty opened gap up today and was trading with bullish bias throughout the day. However, larger picture shows that short-term trend for Nifty is down, and the recent bounce is nothing but a minor degree pullback. Nifty on the daily chart has done a three-wave pullback and has reached near upper end of a short-term falling channel. So here on we expect a fresh move to start on the way down. On the downside, Nifty can touch weekly lower Bollinger Band as well as its previous low, and the level is around 54.77, which is our short-term target. And on the other hand, there are multiple resistances in the range of 57.50 to 5800, and reversal for short-term down view has been kept at 58.63, which is the swing high. Now we'll move on to hourly chart. We can see that on hourly chart, Nifty has just crossed its hourly moving averages. However, is facing resistance near upper end of the channel, and we expect fresh selling to start in this region. That is in the range of 5700 to 5730. We expect fresh round of selling, which will bring Nifty towards its target of 54.77. Now we'll have a look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has also bounced today. However, as we saw in case of Nifty, similarly, in case of Bank Nifty also the trend is down, and there is no sign of reversal yet. Even the daily momentum indicator is in bearish mode and is suggesting further downside potential in Bank Nifty. Even the Bank Nifty can target its previous low and weekly lower Bollinger Band. From short-term perspective, crucial supports are 10,900 and 10,600. Crucial resistances are 11,260 and 11,400. Now we'll have a look at a couple of stocks which are showing a bearish setup from short-term perspective. And the first one is Maruti. As can be seen from this chart, Maruti has formed a bearish wedge pattern and has broken out on the downside. It has retested the lower end of the pattern and has started falling down from there. In today's session, it has formed an engulfing bear candle, which suggests that bears are now having upper hand in this particular stock and will bring the stock down towards its previous low and with potential to break that low as well. Crucial supports from short-term perspective are 1490 and 1400. The crucial resistances are 1565 and 1610. Next one is Punjab National Bank. As can be seen from this chart, since the breakdown from the short-term rising channel, PNB has been falling down, and on the way down it has been forming lower top, lower bottom, which is a sign of a downtrend as per Dow theory. The daily lower Bollinger Band is assisting the price on the way down and is showing further downside potential. Same is the case with daily momentum indicator as well. Crucial supports from short-term perspective are 1614. Crucial supports from short-term perspective are 614 and 560, and crucial resistances are 654 and 671. Thank you.